Hey folks, welcome back to Vidhya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I am going to share green and purple cabbage kootu. For this we need quarter cup of moong dal, 2 tablespoons of chana dal. Rinse them thoroughly and to this add 2 shallots, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 cup of water. Here I have taken 1.5 cups of green cabbage and 1.5 cups of purple cabbage. You can use either one variety, so you need basically 3 cups of cabbage. Now add this on top of the dal. You don't need to add any additional water. Just pressure cook this for 3 whistles. I usually pressure cook in pot method, and that's what I'm doing here. So to the bottom of my pressure cooker, I'm adding 2 cups of water and keeping the cabbage dal mixture and pressure cooking it for 3 whistles. Now parallelly, let's make the kootu masala. For this I have taken quarter cup of coconut, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon cumin and 5 to 10 peppercorns along with 10 curry leaves and cilantro. Although we know curry leaves and cilantro are beneficial for health, we often discard them. So for this kootu, I blended the curry leaves and cilantro along with the coconut and cumin to create the kootu masala so that we can retain both the flavors and health benefits. And now the cabbage is also well cooked, so I'm just going to take it out, and now we are going to simmer this along with the masala. So add salt to your taste. I have added 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Now mix this kootu mixture. It might look thick, but as we have added salt and now with the kootu masala, the curry will thin out. So now add the prepared kootu masala and quarter cup of water and bring it to a simmer. And you can check for salt now and add if needed. And also you can mash the shallots that we have added here. It's going to give us a nice flavor. And as you can see, the cabbage has oozed out a lot of water, and that's why I said be cautious with water and no need to add more water. Turn off the heat and let's now prepare the tempering. For tempering, I typically use coconut oil. Here I have used 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Let the mustard seeds splutter and the urad dal turn light brown, and add it to the kootu, and that's it. The kootu is ready. I have reserved a little bit of the tempering for the picture purpose. That's why I have kept it separately. But yeah, this kootu goes well with any rice varieties. Give it a try and thank you.